excuse me.
Yes.
We're going here, right? Here. Here.
Yes, yes.
I'm just follow the ways. Yeah.
Go.
야, 한국 사람이에요.
Korean? Oh.
반갑습니다. 반갑습니다. You speak Korean?
No,
No?
No, I don't have passport. Yeah.
No, you watching drama.
Not really.
No.
Yeah. Do you watch K-drama, guys?
Yeah, do you watch K-drama?
Yes.
No? Yeah. You
Yes. Dati
speak
pa po yun. Yes. Dati pa. Yung mga palabas natin, binabutan niyo. Yung stairway.
야, 학생이에요, right?
Kanina.
Student?
Yes, student.
Where you studying?
Perpetual.
Perpetual, perpetual here? Eh,
Dapitan.
Dapita,
Yes.
Sumising ka ba?
And what you study for? What the program?
Nursing.
Nursing?
Yes.
Hospital, right? Hospital?
Yes.
Ano ba yun?
How many years study?
4 years.
4 years study.
Yes.
And you already, how many years already?
Third year.
Third year? Or
Yes.
one more?
One more year.
Yeah, one more year.
Do you know any Tagalog words?
Kunti Tagalog.
Konti lang.
Yeah, Kunti Tagalog. Yeah, can you try to teach me Tagalog? Yeah, you try to teach me Tagalog. Basic Tagalog, basic.
Basic Tagalog.
Yeah.
When you say thank you, you have to say salamat.
Salamat po.
Salamat
Yeah,
po,
yeah.
yes.
감사합니다. Yeah, 감사합니다.
And then when you want to say have you eaten yet? Kumain ka na ba? Kumain
Kumain
ka na
ka na
ba?
ba?
Yes.
Kumain ka na ba?
Yes. How long have you been staying here?
2 years here.
2 years?
Yeah. Actually, I'm half Korean and Thailand.
Oh, sawadika.
Yeah, sawadika. Yeah, sawadika. Sawadika. Yeah, kapunka.
Kapungka.
Kapunka.
Yeah. Which one do you prefer? Thailand or
Korea. Yeah.
Where do you live in Korea?
Before I live in Seoul.
Oh, I've
Seoul.
heard a lot about
You know Seoul?
Yeah, it's very famous.
Sultan Kudarat.